Have you ever waited for cookies to bake, taken a long trip, or counted down to a party? That's all elapsed time, the time that passes from one moment to another. Today, we'll learn how to calculate it using a timeline. Let's go! In this video, we will solve 3 problems. In the first example, we want to find the end time, when the start time and the elapsed time is given. Here's the first exercise. Lena is baking a pizza. She puts it in the oven at 5:40 p.m. The receipt says it needs to bake for 1 hour and 25 minutes. What time will it be ready? Here's our timeline. At our starting point, it is 5:40 p.m. We have the elapsed time, the time that passes, which brings us to the finish time, the time at the end of the event. To work out the end time, we have to jump 1 hour and 25 minutes from the starting point. To calculate this with one big jump can be tricky, so let's do it step by step. First, we add 1 hour. Now it's 6:40 p.m. Now we jump 20 minutes further. Now it's 7 p.m. We still have 5 more minutes to jump, so we land at 7:05 p.m. Therefore, the answer is the pizza will be ready at 7:05 p.m. In our second problem, we know the start time and we know the end time, but we don't know the elapsed time. So our challenge is to find the elapsed time. Here's the example. Ben takes a train from London to Paris. He leaves at 8:17 a.m. and arrives at 3:40 p.m. How long is the trip? Again, we draw our timeline. We can mark the start point and the end point, which in this case would be 8:17 a.m. and 3:40 p.m. Now we want to calculate the elapsed time in between. Let's start with the minutes. We want to go from 17 to 40. So this will be 23 minutes we have to jump. Our new time would be 8:40 a.m. Alright, let's jump another 4 hours. Our new time would be 12:40 p.m. So we're slowly getting there. One more jump. From 12:40 p.m. to 3:40 p.m. we need 3 more hours. Now finally we reached our end time. The question was to find the elapsed time. To answer that, we have to add up all our jumps. 23 minutes plus 4 hours plus 3 hours adds up to 7 hours and 23 minutes. So the trip takes 7 hours and 23 minutes. Alright, let's move on to problem 3. Here, the end time is given as well as the elapsed time. We want to find the start time. Sarah's birthday party ends at 6 p.m. and it lasted 2 hours and 45 minutes. What time did the party start? In this case, we have to go backwards on our timeline. We can mark the endpoint as 6 p.m. and the time elapsed is 2 hours and 45 minutes. What we do now is we're going back in time. First, we subtract 2 hours. 6 p.m. take away 2 hours is 4 p.m. Now we subtract another 45 minutes. 4 p.m. minus 45 minutes is 3:15 p.m. That means the party started at 3:15 p.m. Alright, that's it. Elapsed time isn't tricky when you break it down with a timeline. Add time to find the finish, subtract to find the start, or count the difference to find how long something takes. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It would help out a lot. Thanks for watching and see you next time.